Okay, John here again. We've mounted our cliche to the non-magnetic cliche holder. Again, this is for photopolymer or thin steel. If you have a regular thick steel plate, it's going to be 10 millimeters thick like this assembly. This is the cliche support for one color micro 90. The way that your cliche goes in here, if you notice, here's a stop here, here, and one in the front. You have a raised surface here. This is all lower, and a raised surface here. The way that the cliche goes in here, once we put our ink cup and stuff on it, I'll show you again. But you slide it in when this is mounted. The camera person is in the operator perspective. You slide it in so it's at the guides here on the right side. And then you'll use a tool, 5 millimeter wrench. And as you tighten the screw, what it's going to do is it's going to push this keyway up right here that locks your cliche in place. So that is how we're going to mount that cliche once it gets into the machine for a one color micro 90. That's it. Did you cut it?